How to view Klarna payment history. Want to see your past payments? This guide shows you how to view your Klarna payment history so you can see all your payments. First, open the Klarna app and go to My Klarna or Purchases section. You can find it at the bottom of the screen. This is your main dashboard where you can see all your past and upcoming payments. In the My Klarna section, you'll see a list of all of your purchases. Tap on a purchase to see its details, including the total cost and your payment plan. Since you don't have an access to our purchases right now, please follow the rest of the steps yourself. Tap on purchase to see its details, including the total cost and your payment plan. You'll also be able to see a list of all the payments that you've made for that purchase, including the dates and amounts. It is a great way to see your payment history. You can also view all your Klarna statements and balances from this section. You can see all your upcoming and previous payments and the remaining balance on your account. It is a great way to keep track of all your Klarna payments. You now know how to view your Klarna payment history. Get ready to see all your payments. Like and subscribe for more financial tips.